It's 2024 and the technology has evolved to extraordinary heights. With this technology advancement, the risk of cybersecurity attacks have also risen. Many ways have been identified and now it's a risk waiting to be exploited. Consequently, today we will uncover 5 sneaky ways which are very common in 2024 and that would make your system and account vulnerable. Be with me and I will tell you how to be aware of these ways. In which the first way is malware distribution. Malware is any program that is intentionally harmful for a computer, network, or server. It is designed in such a way that it steals, encrypts, and deletes your sensitive data. Malware also has many types like computer viruses, ransomware, and spyware. Malware are distributed in the form of links, attachments, and emails. Phishing emails, which are sent from reputable tech companies, often contain links or attachments that demands to be clicked. If these links are clicked, it installs malware on your device. In addition, the universal serial buses, aka USB, also contain malware, which should be formatted before injecting it in your PC. Fake software updates, which are created by pop-up messages claiming link, are an effective way of malware distribution. Way is public Wi-Fi peril. Your home Wi-Fi can be safe for your use, but the free Wi-Fi you encounter on airports and hotels could be threatening in the way that when you connect with it, it will demand some sign-in info from you before you can gain access to that Wi-Fi. But this is not always the case, and sometimes you have to do nothing and your system gets hacked. When you connect into someone's Wi-Fi, now the question might be that unlike free Wi-Fi, is public Wi-Fi safe to use? Perhaps not. Till when websites were not encrypted with HTTPs. HTTPs scramble websites into meaningless string of letters and numbers which can't be decoded by hackers. Nowadays, about 99% on websites on Chromes are encrypted with HTTPs and other browsers data you can also see. Still in the race to hack system, hacker finds new strategies to eavesdrop your system. The next way is social engineering hacks. Till now, always discussed depends on system vulnerabilities, but social engineering hacks depend on human errors and nature, that is willingness to trust someone. Social engineering attacks include 9 common examples, in which betting and pretexting are most common. Betting involves the cyber criminal which wins trust of a user and then it demands some information in return of some reward. But after gaining info, he disappears. Pretexting is most common nowadays in the form of fake IDs and it creates a situation created by hacker to lure a victim into vulnerable situation and it makes him a victim of cyber attack. The next way is outdated armor. Outdated armor in this context refers to weak cybersecurity measures. These include unupdated system using obsolete operating systems and weak passwords and lack of multi-factor authentication. Security vulnerabilities in system are recognized day by day and system developers release updates to fix these vulnerabilities. If you refuse to update these vulnerabilities remain in system. Using obsolete operating systems should be avoided. Like when Microsoft ended providing security updates on Windows XP in 2014, any user using Windows XP would be likely to become a victim of hacking. Weak passwords also make it easier for hacker to gain access, and so strong passwords should be tried. Plus, an extra layer of security should be provided in the form of two-factor authentication, which will make your system almost willful. The one last attack is phishing attack. In these attacks, the hackers pretend to be from some trusted companies and often send some urgent emails that are pretended to be from bank or something. User thinks it is legitimate. They click on these mails, which leads them to an unknown website where they usually reveal their credential information. A common phishing email example is here, in which hacker pretends to be from National Security Department and no one can distinguish whether it's real or safe. So these were 5 ways, and if you also want to know how to protect yourself from these attacks, make sure to watch the video on screen and also subscribe to my channel. I will meet you there.